Hi everyone, welcome back to AdaEnugu Kitchen. Today I will be showing you guys how to cook yam with vegetable. Yeah, you can see on the table everything that I'm going to use to cook the yam vegetable. So these are the yams which I'm about to use. Just scrape some rotten ones on it. This is the vegetable. I plugged it from my farm. It's very fresh. This is organic vegetable. And we have the red pepper. All these are what we are going to use to cook the yam vegetable. We have the crayfish here, grounded crayfish. We have salmon fish here. We have Maggi, and we have meat seasoning. We have red oil, palm oil, salt, garlic, and then you just watch how I'm going to do it so that you'll be able to cook it without calling someone to cook for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Watch till the end for the best results. So you have to wash your hands. Don't forget you have to wash your hands before you start cooking. Before you start cooking anything, you have to wash your hands. First of all, I have to cut the yam. Cutting the yam, which I'm going to use. So now I'm going to wash the yam. You have to let it boil before you add the yam. So while we are still waiting for the water to boil, and the yam is already washed, I have to start washing these things. These are the things we are going to use. I have to wash them, cut it to be ready. Vegetable is the last thing that I will wash. I'm going to go inside the pot. So I'm going to cut them and put inside here. Need to be rinsed again thoroughly. So I'm gonna add the yam inside the boiling water. So I have to add the washed yam inside the boiling water. Stir it. this way. Depends on you. You have to cut all this. They're all going into the yam. I have to open it up and wash it in the sink. I'm gonna cut the fish. Put it here. It's going to be delicious because everything here, they are all organic. I have to start putting water to wash the vegetable. But before then, I'll have to go and check the yam. Okay, the yam is moving. I need to add water on it. Yeah, I have to add water because I'm going to use this cutting board to cut the vegetable after rinsing it. Where is the cutting board? So I'll be able to cut the vegetables and put them here. I cut it from my compound here. It's an organic. So now we are going to put some of the ingredients. First of all, I have to add water on it because the water is already dry. So I have to add water, and then I put my Maggi cubes. They're all gonna boil and melt together. Next is fish. The taste very well. So after adding this, I have to add crayfish, plain crayfish. All-purpose seasoning. You just have to use your spoon. Just put 1 spoon, or you can put 1.5, depends on quantity of the yam. 1 spoon of garlic. 1 spoon of thyme. red oil. African red oil is the next that we're going to add. Then we'll cover it for a few minutes. 1 spoon of red oil to be added into it. You see, it's colorful now. Everything has changed. You see, it looks yummy already. So we'll cover it for a few minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna add the vegetable. You can see how yummy it is. So I'm going to add the vegetable inside it. So I'm just gonna leave it for a few minutes. Now I want to open it and see if the vegetable is ready. Okay, I cover it for 1 minute, just for 1 minute. Okay, now it's ready. So this is the yam vegetable. So now this is the yam vegetable. Everything is ready. Now my daughter is going to try it.
So good. Mommy, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And keep watching for the next video.